In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your business profile on Google. Managing your business information on Google is essential as it helps customers find and learn about your business. Whether you've recently made changes to your business hours, location, or just want to keep your details updated, this guide will walk you through the process, ensuring your profile is accurate and engaging for your customers. First, you'll need to sign into your Google business profile. Simply head over to the Google Business Profile website. If you're not already logged in, you'll be prompted to sign in using your Google account. It's crucial to use the account associated with your business profile for seamless access and editing capabilities. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your business profile dashboard. If you have multiple listings, make sure to select the one you'd like to edit. Your dashboard is the command center for your business profile, allowing you to view insights, add updates, and most importantly, edit your profile information. To start editing, look for the pencil icon. This icon is universally recognized as the edit button, and clicking it will open your business information for editing. It's your gateway to updating your business's virtual presence on Google. Remember, accurate and up-to-date information is key to attracting and retaining customers, so take the time to review every detail. Now you're at the heart of where you can modify your business details. From here you can change anything from your business name, the categories that best describe your business, your address and contact information, to your operating hours. Take a moment to go through each section carefully. If you've moved to a new location, make sure your address is correct to guide customers right to your doorstep. If your operating hours vary, maybe due to a holiday or a special event, update them accordingly so customers know exactly when they can visit or contact you. Updating your business profile on Google not only helps customers find you, but also gives them a clear, accurate snapshot of what your business offers and when it's available. Accuracy in your listing can significantly impact your business's visibility and credibility online. After you've made your changes, always remember to save your updates. This action ensures all the modifications you've made are applied and will be visible to anyone searching for your business on Google. It might seem like a small step, but it's crucial for implementing the changes you've worked on. There you have it, a simple step-by-step guide to editing your business profile on Google. Keep in mind that Google may sometimes take a little time to review and publish your changes, especially if you've made significant updates like changing your business name or location. Patience is key here. But rest assured, these updates are crucial for maintaining an up-to-date and engaging presence on one of the world's most significant search platforms. Remember, your Google business profile is often the first point of contact between your business and potential customers. Making sure it accurately reflects your offerings, hours, and how people can connect with you is crucial for your business's online success. Keep it updated, keep it accurate, and watch as your online presence grows. Thank you for joining me in today's video on how to edit your business profile on Google. Stay tuned for more insightful guides and tips to help you navigate the digital world of business.